In this video, I'll show you how to attach a file in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and at the bottom, click on the second option, which is Campaigns. Now, that will take you to the campaign section. From here, what you need to do is simply head over to the campaign in which you want to edit. This will be my Canva design. Now, on the right-hand side of that campaign, head over to the Action section, and at the bottom, click on the Edit button. Now, that will automatically take you to the preview of your campaign. From here, you want to head over to the bottom, which is the fifth option on Content. And on the right-hand side of Content, click on the button to edit the design. Now, that will take you to the builder of your campaign. In order for you to attach a file, head over to the left-hand side and head over to the fourth option under Content Blocks, which is a button. Now you want to hold button and drag it within the section where you want to add an attachment file. I will add it below the header. So once you have that, you can automatically attach a link to the button. So if you click on the button at the bottom, you will have an option to add a link, but it is easier to head over to the left-hand side. In here, you want to click on link to. This is set as web. And at the bottom, you want to choose the fourth option, which is file. Now in here, you can automatically attach your file. So at the bottom, if you click on add file, make sure that this file is up to 10 megabytes or less. And in here, you can upload from your device or from Content Studio. Let's say we want to upload from our device. That will open up your files. Simply add the file. And as you can see, it will load the file and it will automatically be set as an attachment. Now, whenever they click this button, it will automatically let them download the exact attachment in which you have added to this button. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.